Hey, I'm Kardea Brown and welcome to my home kitchen. I'm so excited you're here to cook along with me. So today we're making cheesy hash brown casserole. It's loaded with hash browns, cheddar, and sour cream. It makes the perfect cheesy, creamy bite. It's so easy to make because it's just a dump, stir, and bake. All right, so before we get started, let's thaw out a 16-ounce bag of hash browns, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and butter a 9x9 casserole dish. All right, let's get started. Let's shred one 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar cheese. I love this hash brown casserole because it's super simple to make and it's extremely savory and it goes well with any breakfast dish. I even eat it for dinner. Casseroles in the South go hand in hand. Buttery, cheesy, well seasoned. Push your cheese to the side and let's grate one medium yellow onion. Cut off your root. Discard. Use your box shredder to grate your onion. Be careful not to get those hands. All right. Put your onions to the side. Let's chop a 1/4 cup of chives. All right, guys, we are working with double onions. Chives are not, of course, not as oniony as a medium yellow onion. Chives just add an additional oniony flavor to it. And a chive, of course, is a milder onion flavor. All right, so let's reserve a little bit of our chives for the garnish and reserve about a 1/2 cup of your cheddar cheese for the topping. Okay, we're gonna put the rest in the bowl. Okay. Let's clean up our cutting board. To the bowl, let's add our 16-ounce bag of thawed hash browns. Let's add a 1/2 cup of sour cream. A 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1½ teaspoons of sweet paprika, a little heat from the cayenne and a little smokiness from the sweet paprika, a heavy pinch of kosher salt, 2 pinches, and a heavy pinch of cracked black pepper. Okay. Let's add 1 egg. A casserole wouldn't be a casserole without an egg. Let's give it a mix. And that's it. That's all the ingredients that go into this cheesy hash brown casserole. So simple, but the flavors are going to be incredible. And if you want, you can also add a little meat to this. I suggest using some country ham. You can use breakfast sausage, you can use ham, you can use bacon. I mean, it's the ultimate breakfast casserole. This is mixed up. Let's pour our mixture into a 9x9 casserole dish that has been buttered. The reason we buttered our 9x9 casserole dish is to make sure that, of course, it doesn't stick, but it also gives our cheesy hash brown casserole crispy edges. I love crispy edges. As a matter of fact, I only eat the edges. Let's add our reserved 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. Spread it evenly across. All right, that's it. Let's head over to the oven. All right, let's pop this into our oven that's preheated to 400 degrees. Hit pause and meet me back here in 45 minutes. All right, it's been 45 minutes. Let's take our casserole out of the oven. Ooh, look at that. Cheesy and golden brown. All right, let this cool for 5 minutes. Hit pause and meet me back here. We're gonna try our cheesy hash brown casserole together. All right, I am ready to try this. I know you are too. You can cut them into slices if you're serving it for your family, but it's just me right now, so I'm gonna cut a generous slice for myself. Oh, look at that. Okay. Add a little sour cream on top, dollop, and top it off with more chives. Oh. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that's incredible. That's good. It's cheesy. It's tangy. It's buttery. It's ooey gooey creamy. This is a comforting Southern dish, and man, oh man, easy to make.